Enrich your knowledge. The disappearance of Nefertiti, Queen Nefertiti, known for her stunning beauty and powerful role as the wife of Pharaoh Akhenaten, suddenly disappeared from historical records towards the end of her husband's reign. The circumstances of her disappearance, and whether she died, was banished, or rose to rule under another name, remain one of ancient Egypt's most enduring mysteries. The cause of Tutankhamun's death. The young pharaoh Tutankhamun, better known as King Tut, died under mysterious circumstances at the age of 19. Theories about his death range from murder and illness to an accidental injury, but the exact cause remains uncertain, with each new scientific analysis offering more questions than answers. The curse of the pharaohs, the supposed curse that falls upon those who disturb the tombs of ancient Egyptian pharaohs, has fueled both fascination and fear. The most famous case is the death of several members of the team that discovered Tutankhamun's tomb, which has been attributed to a curse, though scientific explanations suggest mold and ancient toxins might be responsible.